Elsa gleams with excitement as she carefully opens the exquisitely designed box. The first item she reveals is a dazzling limited edition snow globe, capturing the magic of Arendelle in every detail. Next, she uncovers a plush Olaf, his button eyes gleaming with joy and mischief. As she delves deeper, Elsa finds a beautifully illustrated art book depicting iconic scenes from her adventures. Elsa's eyes widen in amazement as she discovers a handcrafted replica of her ice crown, adorned with shimmering crystals. Finally, she pulls out an exclusive, limited edition figure of herself in her iconic ice dress, every detail meticulously crafted.